Hi guys, I am Sumedha and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make a no-bake cake. This recipe is super easy, requires no baking skill and tastes delicious. So without further ado, let's just get started.
To make the cake, all what you need is 1 packet of any biscuits of your choice, cocoa or Bonvita, sugar, malai or butter. Grind the biscuits and put them in a bowl. Add 4 tablespoons cocoa and 3 tablespoons sugar. After that, add some malai and mix the batter till it forms a dough. It is suggested that you add the malai in parts. Once it is done, taste the dough and add more sugar if needed. Take a bowl and line it either with a butter paper or foil and transfer your dough in the bowl. Now, freeze it for 30 minutes and after that, garnish it with chocolate syrup, grated chocolate, gems or anything you like and your cake is ready.